Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I share with you how to make this scrumptious chocolate chip banana bread. It is super delicious, moist, and easy to make, guys. So you keep watching. So guys, let's begin. In a clean bowl, go in with your flour. We are making use of self-rising flour, 1.5 cups of it. Pour it in your dry, clean bowl. And next is your butter. You're making use of 100 grams of butter. Go on and rub it with your hands. Yes, until it resembles breadcrumbs. At this point, guys, we are done mixing and it is looking like it. This is how it should look, like breadcrumbs, okay? All right, let's move on to the next step. Now, introduce your chocolate chips. Once you've added it, it is time to add sugar, but we're not going to make use of sugar in this recipe. Yes, no sugar. We are going to replace it with honey and some bananas. All right, now stir it in. This is also the time to introduce your cinnamon or your nutmeg, whichever flavor you want to use, provided it is in powdered form. Yes, dry. Next up, guys, in a clean bowl, crack in 2 eggs. Now use your fork, your spoon, or your whisk to whisk it, okay? Just like this. And at this point, we're done. Please set it aside. Next up, guys, is our banana. Yes, we're making use of 5 bananas. Yes, very ripe bananas. Go on and peel them and transfer in a clean bowl. And if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Yes. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible, everything food. Yes. So if you want to up your game when it comes to cooking, you want to get food ideas, you want to learn how to bake, make pastries like small chops, snacks, and all of that, you are at the right place. So do well to be part of this amazing family by subscribing, okay? Hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my video. Thank you. So guys, at this point, we are trying to mash them. Yes. Go on and mash them using your masher or your fork, okay? Okay, we are done mashing at this point. They are looking all mashed, yes. So you go ahead and set it aside. Moving on to the next step, get the dry ingredient, the one we mixed earlier. Now it is time to go in with our wet ingredient. Introduce the whisk egg, followed by your honey. We're going to be making use of 4 tablespoons of it, okay? Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, the queens and the kings of this amazing family, you're welcome back again. I sincerely want to say a very big thank you to all of you. Yes, to each and every one of you for your massive love and support. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Please keep it up, okay? God bless you all. All right, guys, let's continue. Once you've added the honey, go on and use your spatula or your mixing spoon to mix everything to well combine, okay? At this point, guys, introduce your mashed bananas. It will serve as our sweetener also, yes. So go on and add it. Afterwards, you nicely combine it, okay? Please feel free to adjust your bananas. Like if you want to still make use of sugar, reduce the amount of banana you are using. I used 5 bananas because I won't be using any sugar. Okay. At this point, you can go in with your vanilla extract, the liquid one. Yes, I choose not to use any flavor at all. Okay. At this point, guys, we are almost done. Yes, it is set. We are done mixing, okay? And if you have watched up unto this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do, okay? Also, remember to subscribe. They are both free. Now, moving on to the next step. Get your baking pan, your loaf pan, yes, and splash in some vegetable oil on it. You can as well choose to spread in some baking sheet. Now, use your brush to spread it all over the pan, okay? At this point, guys, we're done. Now get the batter and transfer into the greased pan, okay? Just like this, guys. Please note that you can do more than this. Yes, if you want to make big portion of it, like 2 pans, 3 pans, all you need though is just to increase your ingredients. Yes. Done. So you go ahead and adjust it this way. Check it. Yes. We're getting it ready for baking. Now go ahead and top in some chocolate chips. Yes. Mind you, you can use more chips, okay? More chocolate chips, just to your preference, okay? Afterwards, use your spatula to press them down, okay? Alright guys, now pop it into your oven and bake for an hour, okay? Please monitor it, watch it closely, okay? And there you have it, guys. After an hour, our delicious chocolate chip banana bread is set. Now, let's transfer on a chopping board, or you can transfer on your cooling rack just to allow it cool down, alright? I'll go ahead and cut them because your girl loves testing it hot. If you have been following me, you will know that I love testing my hot. So guys, let's cut it and have a taste of it. Oh my, it is looking good, guys. It looks so good. Oh my, are you gonna try this recipe? Please try it out, okay? And let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. This is lovely. If you're a lover of chocolate, lover of banana, this recipe is a must try for you, okay? And the best part of it is that it is super easy to make. So please give it a go. You will love it. You will enjoy it. This is looking good, guys. It is moist as well. Guys, can you see that? I'm sure you are salivating where you are right now. Oh my. Please give it a go. I assure you, you will love it. Also, remember to share to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's baking. Yes. So if you found this video interesting, please do not forget to leave me a nice comment, like, and as well share for other people to see this video. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.